Need to delete files without opening File Explorer. Command prompt can remove individual files, multiple files, and files based on patterns. But because CMD deletion can bypass the recycle bin, you need to be careful before pressing enter. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete files safely using CMD. First, open Command Prompt and navigate to the folder containing the file. Use the cd command to change directories, then type dir to see what's there. Take a moment to confirm the exact file name before deleting anything. The basic command for deleting a file is del. For example, type del oldreport.txt and press enter. If the file name is correct, Windows removes the file. Unlike normal deletion through File Explorer, this generally doesn't send the file to the recycle bin. If the file name contains spaces, put the complete name inside quotation marks. For example, del, oldreport.txt, . This tells CMD to treat the entire phrase as one file name. Yeah, always double-check the spelling before running the command. You can delete multiple files using wildcards. For example, del*.tmp targets all files ending in the tmp extension in the current folder. You can also use patterns such as del report*.txt to target files beginning with report. Be very careful with wildcards because one command can affect many files. For a little extra protection, you can use the /p option. For example, del/p oldreport.txt. CMD will ask you to confirm the deletion before removing the file. This is a useful choice when you're not completely sure about the target. You can also specify the full path to a file. For example, del :c:\users \yourname \documents \oldreport.txt . Replace the example path with the actual location. Be especially careful with full paths and wildcards because a mistake can target files somewhere else on the computer. And that's how to delete files using CMD. Use del for individual files, quotation marks for names with spaces, wildcards for groups, and /p when you want a confirmation prompt. Since CMD deletion usually bypasses the recycle bin, always verify the path and file name first. So use these commands carefully.